Hi guys, I'm Rohit Arora from Discord, and today we are at the launch event of the Lenovo Yoga Book 2-in-1 hybrid machine. So the company has launched its latest 2-in-1 machine at a price of Rs 49,990 in the Indian market, and it will sell exclusively on Flipkart. So as you can see, the machine looks quite promising. It's quite premium and very portable, and it is powered by an Intel Atom processor paired up with 4 gigabytes of RAM, and we also have a Full HD display. Let's find out the complete specifications and features of this portable Lenovo Ultra book, that is Lenovo Yoga book. So guys, this is the latest Lenovo Yoga book which the company has launched in the Indian market today at a price point of Rs 49,990, and it will be available exclusively on Flipkart.com. From design point of view, the Lenovo Yoga book looks quite premium. It's made out of magnesium alloy and it's quite durable. As per Lenovo, if you just drop the machine, it will still be able to work absolutely fine. The highlight of the Yoga book is its virtual keyboard. As you can see, we don't have any physical keyboards here. It's all virtual. As soon as you light up the machine, the virtual keyboard lights up and serves as a full-fledged keyboard to work on the machine. And talking about the specifications, Lenovo Yoga book has a 10.1-inch Full HD display which gives out a pixel density of 224 ppi. The screen looks quite vivid and it's quite bright as well. The machine is powered by a 1.2 gigahertz Intel Atom processor, and here we have 4 gigabytes of RAM to take care of multitasking. Talking about the ports and connectivity, on the right side we have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Here we have volume rockers, a speaker unit and a power button. On the left side we have a micro USB charging port and HDMI port, a micro SD card slot which can be used to extend 64 gigabytes internal memory by up to 128 gigabytes. On the left side we also have a speaker unit. The machine is just 690 grams and you can easily tuck in an 11-inch bag with you. As I mentioned, the highlight of the machine is its virtual keyboard. So this virtual keyboard is powered by an artificial intelligent machine learning software. So as you type on the keyboard, it tracks your typing pattern, it modifies it and records your typing pattern and modifies itself to match your typing parameters and everything that you type on this machine. Besides, the another highlight of the Yoga book is that this is a magnetic book that comes in the package with Lenovo Yoga book, and if the features is on in the background, and as you can see, here is the feature, is the button where you can just switch on this real pen that comes in the package. So this is a simple piece of paper. You can use any other piece of paper as well. So as you see, this is if I type anything on this paper, it will instantly translate into a digital copy and you can see it on the screen as well. So this is quite a nifty feature that will come quite handy for users who like to draw and paint on their hybrid machines. This is the feature that no other hybrid machine will be offering in the market. This is an exclusive feature of Lenovo Yoga book. So this comes in the package. Here's the pen. As you can see, this is a pen which works as a pen on screen as well, and on this magnetic book as well. So guys, this is Lenovo Yoga book. Definitely the features are quite innovative, but we have a problem here that if you are into long typing sessions, that you can find this keyboard a bit frustrating because the haptic feedback cannot be the best thing about this keyboard if you are into long typing sessions. However, we would really like to test how this works in real life while we will review the unit later in the month. The machine is powered by an 8500 mAh battery unit, and as per Lenovo, it lasts up to 15 hours on a single charge. The battery is also equipped with quick charge battery technology, so that can charge the battery in a shorter period of time book. So overall, the machine looks quite premium. It's fairly priced at 50,000 price point and will be available on Flipkart, exclusively on Flipkart. And Lenovo also says that the Android version will also launched in the later time, and Lenovo is also planning to sell this machine on retail stores as well in the later time, maybe in the first quarter of 2017. So this is Rohit Arora signing off from Discord. You just saw the first impressions of Lenovo Yoga book. price at rupees 49,990 on Flipkart. Have a good day.